Hello friends, welcome to our channel Asa Creation. Today I am planning to do a painting with acrylic pour and with classic silver and gold with the swipe method. So for this painting I am using silver, gold, white, black, flotrol. So here is flotrol. I'm also using silicone and probably I will use torch. So I already mixed my color with 1 part of color and 3 parts of flotrol. So here is white, here is silver, here is gold, and here is black. So this is a second painting with silver and gold swipe method. So I'm trying to make set of 2 paintings for this one. And this canvas is 14 by 11. So first I will cover my canvas with black. Any more color? Don't forget to paint your sides. Yes, I forget to mention that I have these plastic sheets with different size here, and this is smaller one. I'm not sure which one I will use, but I will see how it goes. And I also forget to mention that I mix silicone, 3 spray of silicone in this white, gold and silver. So in my last painting, I put the color like in a straight line. So in this one, I'm thinking maybe I will put the color oblique. So maybe I will go with maybe white in the center. Oops. Then probably 2 lines of silver. Don't have enough gold, maybe I have to mix more. It's looking so beautiful, its own, even without swiping. Should I put little bit? And probably I will use this the long sheet, and maybe I will go not straight, like little bit zigzag, and see how it comes. And you swipe with very light hand. Oops, it's not coming. And after swiping, clean your swiper every time. Oh, it looks good. Let's see. I can do the same thing here. Wow. Little bit white inside. Okay, I think it looks good. Let me torch a little. See, I can get more cells popping. Lots of cells, lots of. It looks really beautiful. I will zoom in and show you. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's project. If you like our channel, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks again.